What's up, YouTube? RyanREAX with another one today. Encoding overload. Consider turning down video settings or use a faster encoding preset. That's probably why it glitches out here and there. I'm not going to turn down anything. I got too much hard drive space. Anyway, I love this song right here. It's called Celestial Furnace by Disarmonia Mundi. So it actually has the vocalist from Soilwork in it, Bjorn Speed Strid, and then some dude from another band, a Japanese melodic death metal band called Guys, or Geese, G-Y-Z-E. And it's so amazing. So without further ado, here is Celestial Furnace. This is why I love metal. It just does that. I mean, you heard that synth, and then it just, boom, the distortion kicks in, and the harmonization of the melody and the guitars. Let's go. Yeah, this band has many albums, many songs, and this album, Mind Tricks, is really cool. I'm digging the album cover. It's like a clown, like, just chilling there, like, bro, I'm gonna mess up society. I don't like how it's just selective color, how there's just, you know, little bits of red, like, in his hair and nose, and then by the fence, like, the flowers, the roses, and then just that carnival world that we live in. You know, we're just trying to make it. So, Celestial Furnace. Do you ever feel that way? Sorry for cutting it in the middle of a chorus, but do you ever feel that way where you just feel like, I mean, certain parts of your years and your lives, you feel like you have regrets or you wasted time or what you could have done or what you shouldn't have done? You got to get through that, and you got to get over that, and you got to learn to forgive yourself. And that's coming from someone who doesn't always practice what he preaches, but is working on it.
Door in your memory. We want you back as a priest.
friggin' sick as always. Another one of those songs I just listened to while running. In case you don't know, because you maybe have only checked out my channel just now for this song. I was a marathon runner for 6 years, and a lot of these songs have inspired me to just push to the limits and beyond. And even though I don't really run much anymore, pretty much non-existent anymore, the songs still have a place in my heart, a lot of these songs. And yeah, I do a lot more songs that I've already heard compared to songs I haven't heard, because I've just heard a crap ton of songs in my existence. So if you want to post a recommendation in the comments, feel free to. May Jesus Christ bless you. Stay safe out there. Peace.